with Christmas just around the corner, I decided it was time to go shopping for the kids. And it was decided that it's probably time that they had their first train set. Having been a Marklin fan my entire life, I decided that I would give the Marklin My World stuff a go. I decided on the farm starter set because it's the only one that comes with a steam train, and as everyone knows, steam trains are the best. The locomotive is HO gauge. That was one of the main things that I was looking for because I have a large HO set, and supposedly these locomotives can run on your standard track, which means that I can have something running and the kids can play along with me. I've decided that I'd just video the quick opening and unboxing of this thing just so that people can see what's actually inside, as I found that there isn't actually that much about the Marklin My World gear online, at least in English. So yeah, hopefully people find this interesting. So when you open the box, everything's pretty well packaged, apart from the stuff that I've already opened. You find the instruction manuals, which no one probably reads. You get the speed controller, the steam loco, a tank car with an operable hand pump to spray water, a livestock car with opening doors, and it also has a ramp, which is the thing wrapped up next to it. 13 sections of curved track, 8 sections of straight track and a single right-hand turnout, an end buffer stop, a tractor, trailer, and bag of livestock to go in the livestock wagon. The track's really easy to clip together. Just push and it clips, and then just bend a little bit and it pops apart. So kids shouldn't have any issue putting that together. At first glance, everything does indeed fit the HO track that I have. I'm using M track, but yeah, as I say, everything fits on and rolls okay. The couplings on these are magnetic, and the magnets are relatively strong, which means that if you wanted to haul an extra couple of carriages, you could. Marklin also sells a adapter car, which allows you to haul standard Marklin carriages with their couplings. So if you wanted to haul some stock that you've already got, that upgrade could well be worth the purchase. The loco is fitted with a vaporizer to blow out steam. It's probably the only thing I've found so far on this that a parent probably needs to actually help with. It's locked in with this little thing here, which even for me, you need small fingers to do it, but you turn it anti-clockwise 90 degrees, and then the vaporizer unit pulls off and you fill it with water from underneath. Once you've filled the tank with water, just put it back on top, clips down, turn the lock 90 degrees clockwise, and that's it. To power the loco on, there is an on switch just here on the top dome. Push it down once and the loco should now be running. If you push the light button on the controller, it should light up. The other functions we've got is the steam whistle, the guard's whistle, and the steam function. The controller has 3 forward and reverse speeds. So if I just back this up and pick up the rolling stock, done, connected with the magnet, and then off it goes. final thoughts on this Marklin My World starter set. I think the kids will like it. It works. Seems to be pretty well built. And yeah, the functions are pretty good. It works mostly around my track. I have found that it does tend to derail on the older solid centre rail track, but if you're not going to be running it on your standard HO track, then you probably don't have to worry. And if you're running C track, then again, you probably find that there won't be any issues because the Marklin My World track is basically just a plastic copy of the Marklin C track. So yeah, if you were going to buy one, I would, that seemed to be a pretty good item. We'll see how it lasts when it gets given to 3 children. Thanks for watching.